Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Avalanche's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right in here and we checked out the possibility of having a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive structure up, indicating in AVAX the final low is likely already in. Now right in here I said we should probably get some more moves on the downside in Avalanche, and if we don't get it, that will be fine. It's not really going to matter a whole lot. So what happened? We are getting, as you can see, a move on the upside, and who knows, maybe we are actually much more bullish than what I already think in Avalanche, and there is actually a chance that, let's go on 30-minute chart, maybe this move up starting from the lowest low is into a wave 1, and our wave 2, the end of it was actually right in here, and this was a shallow correction, suggesting this uptrend does actually have some good power in it, and we're gonna get like a very strong move on the upside into wave 3 and 4 and 5. Now if this is happening, let's zoom in more and see, can we find the sub waves for our uptrend or not? And let's just actually start by measuring this move down and compare it to this one. Is it smaller than this move? As you can see, no, this move is actually bigger than this one. Why am I comparing these two moves? Because we are having clearly overlapping of the waves, and I think the only possibility that we can have in here is an expanding leading diagonal, which in at wave 5 must be the biggest wave. And is it the case or not? Let's measure it and compare it to the other waves. Is it bigger than wave 3? Yes. And I think we can all agree that wave 3 is bigger than our wave 1. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? You see, if the low of our wave 2 in Avalanche is already in, we can argue this is 1 2 3 4 5 wave up into a wave 1. This is maybe like a correction structure into wave 2, and right now we are on our way to have, I would say, a very big move up into wave 3 and 4 and 5. We can be, believe it or not, that optimistic. For me, it doesn't really matter, and I'll be honest, in an ideal scenario, I want to see a move down in Avalanche. Why is that? Because that is going to provide me with a beautiful, beautiful long opportunity. You see, in the recent move up, right in this phase, something very, very important happened in Avalanche. Let's just go around here. If you want to say that I am wrong and we are actually bearish in AVAX and our final top is already in there, okay, off of the highest high, you need to be able to find a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive structure on the downside. Now let's go on the live chart and see why am I right now very much optimistic. Okay, as you can see, in this move up, in this specific one in AVAX, we actually took this high. And honestly, how can you find an impulse in this move on the downside? Do not get me wrong. I guess it is possible to find a 5 wave down, but the shape of it is going to look so odd to a degree that is going to make me say, you know what, that's probably not going to be our primary case. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? Because in this move up, right in here in AVAX, we took the height of our B leg. We can now be much more confident about this whole move being a corrective movement, and we can say after it's over, or maybe it's over already, we're gonna get another big move on the upside. Now in the short term, if after just this small move up you see a relatively strong move down, okay, that is going to be more likely than not part of a correction structure which has started from this point, and at the end of this move can be a beautiful long opportunity. So this is my ideal scenario in Avalanche. Is it going to happen? Well, usually we're not really that lucky, but if it happens, I think we should definitely take advantage of this beautiful buying opportunity. So overall in AVAX, we are looking beautiful and bullish, and the fact that in the recent move up, we took the height of our relay right in here about, let's say, $20.50 is yet another optimistic sign, suggesting potentially our final low is already in. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Avalanche's price chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.